Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into the GenoPalate DNA test kit, exploring its features, user experience, and how it can personalize your nutrition. Find links to the product and additional details in the description below. GenoPalate distinguishes itself from other DNA testing kits by focusing solely on how your genetic makeup influences your nutritional needs. Unlike kits primarily designed for ancestry or general health risks, GenoPalate zeroes in on optimizing your diet based on your unique DNA. This makes it a powerful tool for health-conscious individuals seeking to refine their eating habits through scientific insights. The process of using GenoPalate is straightforward. Once you order the kit, you'll receive everything you need to collect a saliva sample. Conveniently, if you've already taken a DNA test with services like 23andMe or Ancestry DNA, you can simply upload your existing raw DNA data to GenoPalate for analysis. Results are typically available within a few weeks and are delivered through an easy-to-navigate online platform. The heart of GenoPalate lies in its personalized nutrition report. This report provides a comprehensive breakdown of the optimal macronutrient ratio for your body, specifying the ideal daily intake of protein, fat, and carbohydrates. Furthermore, it analyzes your body's ability to process specific nutrients like caffeine, alcohol, and lactose, as well as potential sensitivities to gluten or salt. A standout feature is the extensive list of over 885 recommended foods, curated specifically for your genetic requirements, emphasizing the vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients your body may need more of. What truly sets GenoPalate apart is its actionable approach. The recommendations are presented clearly and are easy to put into practice, making it a practical resource for anyone seeking to improve their diet and overall well-being. It's particularly beneficial for those who find generic diet plans ineffective or those who prefer making data-driven food choices for optimal health. In conclusion, GenoPalate provides a specialized yet valuable service by merging DNA analysis with personalized nutrition guidance. It's user-friendly and offers a wealth of information for anyone interested in leveraging genetics to build a healthier lifestyle. If personalized nutrition is your objective, GenoPalate is certainly worth considering. Explore the links in the description to learn more or purchase your kit today.